There is uproar in Uganda after Uganda's constitutional court rejected a petition seeking to annul an anti-gay law that has been roundly condemned internationally as one of the toughest in the world. Anti-Homosexuality Act 2023 imposes penalty of up to life in prison for consensual same-sex relations and possible death in aggravated homosexuality cases. Here's a report from Kampala.
People in Uganda reacted with mixed views after the country's constitutional court upheld an anti-gay law that allows the death penalty for aggravated homosexuality. The court in the Ugandan capital Kampala rejected the petitioner's request to quash the law despite widespread condemnation from rights groups and others abroad.
As a Uganda, I feel well because homosexuality, it is not good. It has many disadvantages. Some people, or many of the people, the capacity of them, they are losing their lives because of homosexuality. So what the court has decided, it is good on my side and for all Ugandans.
President Yoweri Museveni signed the bill into a law last May. The law is supported by many in the East African country, where some see it as a behavior imported from abroad and not a sexual orientation. The Constitutional Court judges said Parliament had legally passed the law and does not violate the Constitution. Homosexuality was already illegal in Uganda under a colonial-era law, criminalizing sexual activity against the order of nature. The punishment for that offense is life imprisonment.
We take the view that the right to dignity ought not operate in the abstract, but within the societal, political, cultural context of a society, particularly their communal culture, norms and values.
The law in question defines aggravated homosexuality as cases of homosexual relations involving a minor and other categories of vulnerable people, or when the perpetrator is infected with HIV. A suspect convicted of attempted aggravated homosexuality can be jailed for up to 14 years, and the offense of attempted homosexuality is punishable by up to 10 years.
We believe this is the front line of Africa's independence. This is the front line of preserving us as a people. So I'm happy with the ruling and the judgment that was delivered today, which vindicated us.
This is what I expected from the government and also the judicial system, because when you look at the way they are reading, they don't even know what they are even reading. They're just reading because they're using children, they're using AIDS.
Uganda was one of the earliest and hardest hit countries when AIDS emerged, and public health experts have long warned against letting the stigma or fear of punishment impede access to care. Members of the LGBTQI community were quick to cast a dark shadow on the court's decision, saying it will worsen their already desperate situation. Some lawyers for the petitioner said after the judgment they will now turn to the Supreme Court, hoping it will overturn the law. Homosexuality is criminalized in more than 30 of Africa's 54 countries. Bureau Report, WION World is One.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.